Where can I find the fuse box diagram for the 2023 Audi A7 and what does it include? How can I access the main and additional fuse boxes and what do they control within the vehicle? Driver's side footwell left-hand drive vehicles. The driver's side footwell in left-hand drive vehicles offers spacious and ergonomic positioning for pedals like the accelerator, brake, and clutch. It often includes access to the fuse panel for electrical maintenance. The area is designed for comfort and functional accessibility. Front passenger side footwell right-hand drive vehicles. The front passenger side footwell in right-hand drive vehicles provides ample legroom for passenger comfort during travel. It may house components like the fuse box for easy access to electrical systems. The area is designed for convenience and efficient use of space. Left side of cockpit. The left side of the cockpit in the 2023 Audi A7 is equipped with intuitive controls and a sleek design for easy access to key functions. It offers a premium feel with carefully arranged features for driver comfort and control. Luggage compartment fuse panel. The luggage compartment fuse panel in the 2023 Audi A7 provides easy access to fuses related to the rear electrical systems. It ensures protection for key components like the tail lights and power outlets. The panel is securely located for safety and convenience during maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, gas tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.